In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a table in Reddit. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to insert a table in your Reddit posts, it's pretty simple. Just head to your post. So you can get here by just clicking on create here once you are logged in to your Reddit account. I'll wish to insert a table here. To do so, just click where you will wish to insert the table and head to this. You can see we have this table option. By clicking on it, now tables will be added. By using this, you can either insert rows or even delete them, or columns, or make changes to columns as you wish. So you can choose where you want to insert. For instance, if you wish to insert here maybe another row, I'll just click on insert row, either above if you wish to insert above, or below if you wish to insert below, and by doing so it will be inserted. If you wish to add columns as well, you can just do the same. For instance, insert column here, you can insert below or after. By clicking on this, you can do so. So you can insert as many rows and columns, and to delete them, just do the same. For instance, I can delete this column by just clicking on delete like that. So enter your text, for instance, items, weight, and maybe price like that, and now add the content before you can now make or publish your post. So that's how you can insert tables in Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.